tusaba Katonda omugamba akuwa amafuta obugagga ng'obwa Sulemaani naye nga gwe toyina.
Now you're going to tell him to give you the wealth like for Solomon, but you've not put any beginning. So we are to touch of godly things. Let's do the first things. Amen. There are things you have to do first. He gave him the most. Although you could join him, though you could add the cups together, not because they were unaccountable. So now we want God to give you wealth. But the heavens see you bring to the next purpose. The useless things that you bring in the house of God. Let's glorify the Lord. As I was reading, I saw that Solomon built this house of God. He put the most precious ones. But you want God to give you the wisdom and the blessing like that of Solomon. But you've not incurred. Last Sunday I was at our home. They always talk about born again. But a born again can get something can stay in the church. But I told them I have ever done it also. I was looking for the money to buy the plot. But God showed me that the money I had, and I did it. But now God I'd look for the cloth for 4 years. But when I heard that man that had got for the plot, within 3 months, I bought a plot in June. But in March I had nothing. But in June it means what I did. Because I listened to the voice of God and I obeyed it. Now God raised me in 3 months. So children of God, let's have faith. If we are giving God, let's give us glorify God. Feel that desire inside of you. I remember while I was still young, as I was going to the church, I could request to be given 100 shillings to give in the budget. But I could not give because I love God. I would want to be seen the love. I would want them to see us have attended and have offered. That was so pleasant to me. So we who have understood God, those who know their God, let's not be like it. She wanted to be seen. Now we have understood God. If you are praying before the Lord, give what glorifies the Lord. Whenever you give God, He shall give you too. So whenever you bring it, know you are giving the biggest God who owns everything. As you expect Him to give you the biggest one. If you give Him as if you're helping Him, He shall pay back just helping. But if you glorify Him, He shall glorify you more than that. So whenever you're giving before the Lord, know you're giving the greatest, the King of Kings. I talked to those people who would take the package to the king. You can't take the lame things. So now for you bring the rotten tomatoes. The heavens can be more than same.
tusinza.
And now we worship and we request
Naye
for
nga
the
ne
blessing.
kituwaddeyo tekisinza
Yet what we have given in, it
Abakolinso
doesn't even worship.
ekyokubiri
2 Corinthians
9
chapter 9
andikire ku lwomukaaga
verses 6.
naye Abakolinso ekyokubiri 9:6.
2 Corinthians 9.
Naye kyenjogedde kino nti asiga entono alikungula ntono, era asiga ennyingi alikungula nnyingi. Haleluya.
Amen.